How to be the parent you never had. Have you ever looked back at your childhood and thought, I needed more patience, more understanding, more emotional safety? Maybe your parents did the best they could. Maybe they didn't. But either way, you deserved more. And here's the real secret. You can become the parent you never had. For yourself, for your future kids, and even for the people you love right now. Today we're talking about how to break the cycle, even if no one showed you how. Part 1. Understanding what was missing. First, you have to name what you didn't get. Maybe it was emotional validation, a parent who really saw you. Maybe it was physical affection, or boundaries, or someone who could sit with your feelings instead of shutting them down. Whatever it was, you cannot heal what you won't admit. You're not blaming your parents. You're simply telling the truth. And telling the truth about your needs is not disloyal. It's liberating. Part 2. Reparenting yourself first. Here's the part no one tells you. Before you can give that love to someone else, you have to give it to yourself. If you needed patience as a kid, practice being patient with your own mistakes now. If you needed gentleness, practice speaking kindly to yourself when you feel small or ashamed. Every time you offer yourself what your younger self needed, you're rewiring your story. You're becoming the protector, the nurturer, the guide you always deserved. Part 3. Building new habits of care. Being the parent you never had means building habits of care, not habits of control. It's asking, not assuming. It's listening, not lecturing. It's respecting someone's feelings, even when they're messy or inconvenient. It's creating a world where, how do you feel, is asked just as often as, what did you achieve? It's apologizing when you screw up, because real strength isn't about being perfect. It's about being accountable. Part 4. Allowing love to feel safe. Here's the hard but beautiful truth. If you grew up without emotional safety, love might feel foreign at first, too soft, too uncertain. You might want to pull away, to self-sabotage, to recreate the distance you grew up with because it feels familiar. Don't. Stay with the discomfort of being loved well. Stay with the awkwardness of giving affection you never received. This is what healing feels like. Weird, uncomfortable, and unbelievably worth it. You can't change your childhood. You can't rewrite who raised you. But you can become the source of safety and love you always needed. You can end the cycle, not by being perfect, but by being present, being kind, and being brave enough to try again every single day. You are allowed to be the parent you never had, and in doing so, you give that gift, not just to yourself, but to everyone lucky enough to know you. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who might need it too. And remember, healing doesn't happen in a day, but it begins the moment you choose love over fear. I'm proud of you. Stay strong, stay kind, and I'll see you in the next video.